In this video I will show you how to pre-assemble the Cambrella before you go out and use it for video recording of yourself. I have found that one very convenient way to carry the Cambrella when you go elsewhere outside is to carry it in a form of a bag in your hand, like this, which basically includes all the parts of the Cambrella pre-assembled and ready to be fully assembled before you go and use it. To start with, you unbuckle the two buckles and unstrap the strap which holds the spinal pole, and then unwrap the shoulder straps. You end up with the two main components of the Cambrella, which are the backpack with the spine pole and the swivel pole. They're pre-assembled, and now I will show you how to put them on your back and how to start the recording. First, you want to start with the backpack. Just put it on your back. Adjust the straps, make sure it fits well on your shoulders, then strap the belly strap with the plastic buckle, and then strap the chest strap. You may want to tighten it so that it is nice and snug across your chest, and adjust the two side straps so it fits well on your back. One thing that you want to make sure is that the pole, the spine pole, is straight on top of your head, and when you turn sideways it has to be on your back, straight above your spinal cord. This is ready. The second component is to put the swivel pole on top. How do we do that? It's very simple. You untie the strap, the zip, and start extending the cameras loosen the rope and start extending the retractable arms of the camera. Start with the distal parts, snap the buckles, and then the proximal parts. When you get to the very last one, what you want to do is make sure that you get this additional extension so that the swivel pole takes the shape of a bow, and then you strap it. And at this point it is already in a tense position, the wire on top, and the final thing you want to do is just support it with additional tensioners. That's it. You're ready. Now, before you start recording, of course, you have to position the cameras, turn them inwards so that they point towards your chest, and start the cameras for recording. Do the same thing with the other camera. And start the recording. Et voila! You're ready to put the Cambrella on top of the spinal pole. Just drop it in, and it is a self-balancing device. Don't worry if it is tilted on one side or the other a little bit. This literally doesn't matter, because during the course of recording you may want to actually record yourself from a low angle or from a high angle. This is all it takes to set up the Cambrella. Now I will show you how to disassemble the umbrella very fast and put it back into its original carry-on position. First, take off the swivel pole, start with retracting the tensioners, then start releasing the segments one by one. Start with the most distal ones. Of course, you want to stop the recording. This is stopped on one side. Stop the recording on the other side. Now continue with bringing together the retractable poles from the more distal parts. And once you collapse the poles, just take the rope. It fell off. This is a loose rope, but normally it shouldn't fell off. Just make a loop, make a second loop, and tie them with the Velcro tie, and you're ready. Take off the backpack. Put it upside down on a flat surface. Then put the swivel pole on top and wrap the shoulder straps. After they're wrapped, snap the buckles. On the top and on the bottom. And finally, put a Velcro on the top so that it holds together the spinal pole with the swivel pole. And again, you're ready to go. That's all it takes to disassemble the umbrella and keep going. This is the first part of the video. Thank you.